Die opdrag is uitgereik nadat meneer George geweier het om 'n uitlating teen meneer Zuma terug te trek.
The remark made by Honorable George that the nation is deliberately led to lawlessness is out of order, and I must therefore ask Honorable George to withdraw his statement unconditionally.
What do you want me to withdraw?
What you said. The president deliberately led this country to lawlessness.
I did not say that. That's why your interpretation is wrong. Read the document again.
Honorable George.
Madam Deputy Speaker, point of order.
Honorable George.
Yes.
You don't want to withdraw. Will you please leave the house?
Die Cape-verteenwoordiging het uitgestap en is luid uitgejou te midde van gebare van albei kante van die nasionale vergadering. Die DA het Cape gevolg, waarna sake hand uitgeruk het.
A member of the DA, Honorable Koller, as they were leaving, made what I believe is a very silly statement, and excuse my language. She actually said, "F you." And I don't think we should take that lightly. We are not in a zoo here. We are not animals. And this is not a circus.
Diane Koller-Barnard van die DA het erken dat sy die uitlating uit frustrasie gemaak het toe sy die nasionale vergadering verlaat het. Die ANC het versoek dat haar streng teen haar opword.